Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Chadiyappa CK 8th D section. My seminar topic is space based solar power system. I am doing this topic under the guidance of Suraj VY, Assistant Professor, BITM Ballari. Introduction. The space-based solar power system is a concept of capturing solar energy in outer space, transferring the directly to the Earth. The location of space-based solar power system: geosynchronized orbit, mid-Earth orbit, low Earth orbit. These are the locations. The new millennium has introduced increased the pressure for finding new renewable energy source. Space-based solar power system, the microwave wireless power transmission system. It has clean, large-scale, stable electric power source. Why space-based solar power systems are required? Increase the global energy demand, limitation for renewable energy source. This is also required for space solar power available in the space 24/7. It means 365 days available on the space. History of the space-based solar power system. Peter Lanxess invented the concept of large space power system in 1968 and projected 5 gigawatts plant, and they will fresh look steady to this concept. And the US Department of Energy and the National NASA examined the concept of extensively during the late 1970s. The figure shows the model of Department of Energy and the NASA model. The figure shows flow diagram of power. In the first, the sunlight is fall on the solar arrays. It converts the solar power into DC power. Then DC power is converted into microwave power by using microwave circuit. This microwave is fall on the retina and it's sent through the power processing unit. The power flow in the right side of the diagram. Let has assumed the total solar power of the available on the space around 404 gigawatts power. It's convert 20.9 gigawatts electrical power. This electrical power converted into 14.61 microwave power by using microwave circuit. Then this is convert electrical power by using retina, then transmitting through the powerhouse, then it's will distributed. From satellite to the earth, how will send convert? Let us see. Solar power from the satellite is sent to the earth using microwave transmitter. It received at the retina located on the earth. Recent development suggested that power could be sent to the earth using a laser. Microwaves are received with about 85% efficiency around 5 to 6 kilometer across. 95% of beam will be fall on the retina. Now we will see what is retina. Retina is a device is located on the earth. Retina is a rectifying retina that is using converting electromagnetic energy into direct electricity, then are used in wireless power transmission system that transmit the power by using radio waves. What is beam control? What is beam control? Beam control is a safety aspect of the space based solar power system. Its ability to control the power beam. Retro detective beam control system have been the referred the retina. What are the advantages of space based solar power system? The power can be directed to the any point on the earth surface. It helps energy crisis. No moving part, no fuel required, no wastage outcomes. What are the disadvantages of space based solar system? The main drawback of the solar energy transferring from orbit is the storage of electricity during off peak demand hours. It is high cost. It requires much time for construction, reduction hazard associated with system, risk involves with malfunction. Conclusion. The solar energy available in space is literally billions of times greater than we use today. Losses in wireless power transmission is much less than the transmission lines. Now comes a reference. These are the followed reference. Thank you.